So if you got a Jeep Latitude, Jeep Cherokee, you're trying to get your lug nuts off and you're having a problem, this is why. The factory lug nuts are two pieces. Right in there, you got this cap over top of it. It causes stuff to get in there and it rusts and it swells out. You can't get your tool on. Now you can get you some Rock Auto. There's a Dorman set, and the Dormans are one piece. Won't happen to you anymore. Now the trick to getting those off real quick, as you see, you can put this on and it's kind of loose. It's because it's ballooned out and it's not going on there. So I'm gonna try to film this with one hand real quick. I will put that in a position where it's easy for me to turn. Let me start that on. Get you a sledgehammer and just tap that in until you hear the tone change and it seats. Should be set real good. And go ahead and turn that off. Now you can see that's as far as I can push that in there. It's barely in there. It's so ballooned up and damaged. You don't want to try to take that out, just strip it. That's why we're beating it on in a nice clean pattern to get it off. And then let me show you real quick the new one. Slides in there perfect. But I turned it, I got it loose. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it 3 to 4 full times until it loses that resistance and it's nice and loose. Then I'll take this. I'll get my other hand out here in a second, but I'll get this and I'll tap it right there. You'll see it work out. I don't want to scratch the wheel, it's about to fall off, so I'll grab it with the other hand, pull it off. There we go. And now you can put it back on the lug, spin it out. Let's do one where I show you the whole process right here. There's a new lug nut. Goes right on, nice and easy. There's the one that's swollen. Barely goes on, moves around. Find a position I like. Watch it seat. Listen to the tone change. Break it loose. 2 to 3 revolutions. Tap it off. Go back on. Take that off. New one on. And tighten. You want to torque these to around 100 foot-pound. Now some of these were way worse than the other ones. This one's not too bad. For me, the worst was the driver's side front tire. Let me know in the comments which one was worse for you. Another thing you might want to know, this is my mom's vehicle. She took it to the dealer. They found this and recommended she had it fixed. The dealer quoted her a price of just over $300, like $320 to do this job. You go to Rock Auto, and when you get these parts yourself, the total will come out to be about 100 bucks. So save you $200. Then I got one more question I don't know that I wanted to ask somebody that might know. You can leave it in the comments. If you do get the dealer parts, are they just putting the same 2-piece lug nuts on again, or it's going to happen in the future? Or are they putting 1-piece constructed ones that are like the Dorman ones? I don't know if somebody can answer that.